Diigo web collector. So this is a complete A to Z research tool that allows user to save relevant information to improve the research quality. Okay, so once if you install this Google extension, that is Google Chrome extension in your Chrome, where you can bookmark the research paper and share the resources with your community, either through email or through social media, or you can also save that. So what you can do is you can do the web page tagging, you can create a sticky notes, you can mail that, and many things you can do, like you can highlight it, you can automatically create a list, you can share curated content to the research communities as well. Okay, so once if you click this, you can see, like if you want to know more about it, you can click this YouTube video and check how it works. So it is used to collect and organize. So here you can see some more detailed information about it. So let's download it. So click add to Chrome, where you can see that this Diigo web collector will be added to the Chrome, and once it is added to the Chrome, you can enable it. Okay, so click here and enable it, where you can find the extension which is added. Okay, so once if you want to see any data and if you want to store any data into it, you can go to the relevant website and click here. You have to create the account obviously, so you can click with a Google account, because anyhow you're going to store it, right? So you're supposed to store it, so it is better to open, you can sign in with which mail ID or in which it has to store. Okay, so click here, and once you have connected with, you can just go here where you can see that save as a bookmark. So here you can add it as a tag. Okay, and then if you want to add it an outliner to it, you can add it. If you want to share it to the group, you have to create a group, obviously, then you can share it. Okay, then and then if you click save, the bookmark will be saved here, and read and annotate. See, what it's going to do is it is going to read you, instead of spending more time on it reading it, you can read and annotate it. Okay, so here you can just go and highlight it. Fine, and here you can see that you can read, annotate it, and annotate the PDF. If you want to drag and drop anything, and you can, if you want to create it as a PDF, you can create it. And then okay, so there are various other things, like annotate a screenshot and open an outliner sidebar. So where your data will be stored here. So whatever you have annotated, you can just click here to see this is what we have annotated, right? Process of extracting data. So wherever from any website, if you have annotated, that will be available here as an annotated annotation, and whatever you have stored as a bookmark, there you can see it. So there are various other options for you where you can just organize the data properly and make use of it whenever you need it. Okay, so this is all about the today's extensions. We will see more extensions which is useful for you in the upcoming video. Thank you, take care, bye bye.